Okay, so now if you've done as I said earlier and you set up the WordPress hosting through HostGator with a Namecheap domain and you've transferred over your name servers, you will now have WordPress successfully installed on your site. Now we want to start off with the first thing, which is checking if the name servers were successfully transferred. So we will type in the DNS check tool and we'll get on this. It's called dnscheck.pingdom.com. And now we want to insert our domain name in this bar up here. And it might take some time. It says it normally takes anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, delegation, everything is fine, and what we're waiting for is the second test, which will tell us if our name servers have successfully been transferred. And there you go, transferred successfully, and that's all we need to know. So now what we want to do is get onto our HostGator customer portal, and you will see this page when you first log in. What you want to do is click on the hosting tab, and then we will see our site here that we just recently installed. And then to access this WordPress site, we want to click the settings button, click manage WordPress, and now it will directly take you inside WordPress without asking you for any username or password. Now once we are in here, the one thing we want to do is we want to create a new password for our user access, so this way we don't forget it and it will be to our preference. So what we want to do is come to this will be the dashboard you'll see when you log into WordPress. You want to hit up users, go to all users, click on the admin, edit, and simply create a new password at the bottom. I'm going to hide and I'm going to create a new password which is personal to myself. I'm going to confirm use the weak password and update profile. And then right after this, the reason that didn't work, there's a reason for that, and the reason is because I just entered the same password I already had. So let's take that away. Okay, let's do this, and update profile. Okay, so this sometimes just gives you problems. It might require you to clear your cache, clear your cookies. Let me just redo this and make sure it's done right. Okay, so previously I had changed my password in a previous video, and that didn't go to plan, as to why I had to create a new one, and now changing the password is just giving me a bit of grief. But it's very simple. All you do is you come here, you enter your new password, whatever it may be, and you just click update profile, and there you go, boom, it's done. Now I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you that this is working. So I'll type in admin, I'll type in a new password I just created, and boom, log in. Kapow, that's it, site done. So now we have our domain setup, we have our hosting setup, and we even have WordPress setup. Now over the next few videos I will be teaching you how to actually set up your arbitrage site. I look forward to seeing you, and seeing you in the next training.